So if you have outdated or irrelevant pages on your website, deleting them helps you clean your site, so you have a cleaner, more organized site. Also, you can also remove some pages you don't need, and it's going to help you to make sure the user, the viewer, is going to, move or, just change their focus towards important stuff. You can also hide some of the pages here. So I'm going to show you in this video. So let's click on pages and menu here. And that's where you have to go basically. Just click on here. And in here we have pages. Now we have them categorized. Let's say we have here light boxes, but we're going to click, of course, on side menu. And here we have a lot of pages. You can see I have a lot of pages that are hidden. So how to show them? You're gonna click on the three dots here and show in the menu. If you want to hide, three dots here and then hide from menu. And then here, if you want to delete one, you're gonna click on the three dots here, and then here you have delete group. You can also delete a group, or if you want to delete page, just here I have delete. For here, delete. Let's say I'll delete this one here, and then I've changed my mind. Now what you can do here is go here, right? And click on undo. And then when you click on undo, you can also click redo and undo. Redo, undo, redo, undo. So I hope you found this short video helpful. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more Wix tutorials.